Welcome to the world of Urdu Mein. Today we will share with you the story of a carpet. The art of making carpets was developed on the plains of Central Asia some several thousand years ago. The nomads needed some protection from the cold winters, something more easily handled than the sheepskin coverings. At the same time, they were also making decorations for their tents. The materials used for the wrap, weft, and pile came from the herds of goats and flock of sheep. The looms in their simplest form were made of two wooden ribs which were secured to the ground, and between them the wrap was fastened. These horizontal looms, which are still used today by the nomads, have the same advantage that they fold easily and can be moved to the next campground. The patterns on these early carpets were composed of geometrical or curvilinear motifs. In the 16th century, during the protection of the emperors, these carpets were developed. The arts of carpet was developed in Persia and India both technically and artistically. For example, in court workshops. During this period, carpets originate in the most splendid, perhaps the most famous, all over the world. The Shirazi design carpet, which can be seen in front of you, can be viewed around the world in several sites, such as museums. It measures 6 by 4 and is probably manufactured in the city of Kashan in Persia by Maqsood. The carpet dates back to the year 946 after Islam count, which is 1539 AD. It took 3 years for 5 weavers to complete the carpet, which was ordered by Shah Thamsab. Originally, there were 2 carpets, but one was sacrificed in order to repair the other. The best preserved carpet can be seen in museums such as maybe Albert Museum in London. The remaining parts of the sacrificed carpet can be viewed at the Los Angeles County Museum, USA. The carpet is made by Persian knots, pile of wool wrap, and weft by silk. The knot density of 518 knots per square meter. The carpet was sold in the 19th century. Traditionally, the carpets were treated as an asset and thus sold only in times of need or given as a gift.